How to extract zip files on Android. How to extract zip files on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So in order for you to extract zip files on your Android phone, you will need an app. So go ahead and open up Play Store and search for Zarchiver. Once you have installed the app, open it, and here you need to locate the zip files. You can either search for it manually or you can do that using the search bar. Once the zip file has been located, click on it. From the given menu list at the bottom, click on Extract. And here you will need to select a location where you want to extract this zip file. Say for example here. And once you're there, just click on the green button with arrows at the bottom right of the screen to extract here. And as you can see, the file has been extracted to the location that you've chosen. So that was it for this video. That's how you can extract zip file on your Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.